Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, March 11th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to do a very quick video and show you how I follow up with my pre-enrollees, okay? Now, you have access to your pre-enrollees email address inside your back office. And what I do, and I do this about once a week, okay? I just started doing this, but I do it about once a week. I've been doing it about once a week. And I send out a message to all my pre-enrollees, okay? And today I sent this out. You can see here about an hour ago, I sent this out, okay? And it says, Happy Saturday. I just wanted to share with you my latest payment-proof video from LiveGood. I turned $50 into over $2,000 in 2 months. You can do the same if you're willing to put in a little work each week. Our team is growing like crazy, and we provide all the training to help you become successful. We now have over 100,000 members who have joined LiveGood and will have over 1 million by the end of the year. There is no better time to lock in your position and get started. Because you have already pre-enrolled, simply visit securemyposition.com to get the best possible spot in our matrix. Please let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to working and earning with you. Have an awesome day. All the best. Russ 5. Alright, so basically, this goes right to my latest payment proof video, which is right here, which I just did back on Thursday, okay? So they're going to be able to see that I'm actually making money with LiveGood. So that might entice them or pique their interest to join, right? And then the Secure My Position spot, it simply lets them go in there and enter their email so that they can go and join, all right? So I know that the LiveGood system does follow-ups for you, and it does an awesome job. I've been having people who signed up weeks ago sign up just recently, okay? And it's happened to me several times already since I've been in this company. But the last lady who joined me had pre-enrolled like, I don't know, a week and a half or 2 weeks ago. And then Thursday night, she joined me, okay? So, like I said, this has happened many times. So the system that LiveGood has does a great job at following up and converting pre-enrollees into members. But it's also, a reason I do this is just to be more personable. All right, and the reason I send a payment proof video is just because I want them to see that, you know, there are people who are making money. And I want them to see that the person who they pre-enrolled under is making money and taking this very serious, okay? But if you don't have a payment proof video, or maybe you're new at, maybe you're a new member of LiveGood, and you don't have any proof videos or anything like that, you can simply just share a Facebook post, all right? There's tons of people having success with LiveGood. There's thousands of posts now on Facebook of people having success, and you could just simply share something like that, okay? So it doesn't necessarily have to be a payment-proof video or a video at all. Just share something so that your pre-enrollees are going to see that people are having success with this company. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate it very much. I just reached 700 subscribers on my channel, and believe me, I appreciate each and every single one of you, okay? So I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.